Tony Tiapon. I'm out here with Les and Larry from 29 Palms Historical Society. The old schoolhouse, they're putting a multi-purpose building out here, and first time install, and they did it themselves. They did a fantastic job. Why did you choose Tilcor?
The man standing right in front of me who was willing to help me out and talk to me and guide me through the process of getting it.
Well, I've actually done metal roofs and done shingle roofs, and I'm 100% impressed with this roof system.
As far as the best thing about this stuff, I'd say the way it went on fast, it went on nice.
It does go, it just all snaps right together from the very front edge all the way up to the very peak, and the cap that goes on it, and all the trim pieces, and I can walk on it, and I weigh 240 pounds and it doesn't crush it, and it's sturdy. It is an awesome product.